guys njenamkele kwenye tutorial yethu apho khona sizabe sithuni sisolve i-trigonometric function, right? So basically sine i-trigonometric equation apho khona funeka siprovile that i-left hand side equals to i-right hand side, right? So into zakuthi sawuqala sithini sibonise inantsika ummakishi abanye besimakisha bathini sizasolve i-left hand side, right? So it's cos 2x minus cos x ne then sinabani ku-numerator sino sin 2x plus what plus usine x guys nena. So nisiyenzayo guys kuthini into zakuthi kuthela kuqala sithini siyabona ukuthi ku-numerator yethu sinantoni sine-double angle kabani ka-cos 2x, right? So into esiyenzayo kuthini ukusolva la double angle kuqala, right? So sinabana sizabana 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus cos x ne, and then ku-denominator yethu sinabani, we see that ku-denominator sinantoni sine-double angle again, right? So all you do is that you solve for what? You solve for the double angle. So it's gonna be what? 2 sin x cos x plus what? Plus sin x, right? Yeah. So nesayenza kuthini now? Let's solve for noni. So nesenza rearrange le numerator sibe indlela right? So it's gonna be 2 cos squared x minus cos x minus 1, right? Then shake nabani shake because siyabona kunenze ku-denominator sinabani sino sin x beno sin x again, right? So nesenza kuthini ukuthatha i-common factor sikhuphele ngapha kwa-bracket. So izaba ngu-sin x what sisheka nabani washeka nabani no 2 cos x plus bani plus 1, right? So again we see that ku-numerator sinabani sine quadratic equation, yabo. So le quadratic equation ingu 2x squared minus x minus 1, right? Indlela noyisolva ngayo lento would be what? It would be what? 2x plus 1 and x minus 1, right? So the same thing wayenzayo apha indaweni ka-x xa utshintsha bani ufaka u-cos, akho ninzima ya. Indaweni ka-x ufaka bani ufaka u-cos. So izaba bani izaba ngu 2 cos x plus 1 then abani ibe ngu cos x minus 1 guys ane yeah. And then sinabani ku-numerator sino sin x 2 cos x plus bani plus 1, right? Siyabona ukuthini ku-numerator ne-denominator sine-like terms wethu 2 cos x plus 1 no 2 cos x plus 1 as it-1 ku-denominator. So we can cancel this term and also they can cancel each other, right? So sisheka nabani sisheka no cos x minus 1 over what? Over sin x guys, right? So yeah guys, we've solved equation it, I believe, because it's been cos x minus 1 over sin x. So therefore a left hand side is equals to a right hand side, right? So if you fike kule nansikile point kule video ningathanda ukuthi usubscribe ku channel yami, uklike notification bell ukuze ukwazi uthini unenze ukukhunjuzwa ngoku-YouTube kusendoni niposte i-video, right? Esinye sesizathu sithi subscribe ukuthini ukuba nantsika kule course yale video kanye course yale YouTube channel I'm gonna go to your curriculum ye-maths, ye-physics ne-life science yonke, right? Meaning that bana if umzekelo subscribe uyixhophe notification bell uzazimissisha ezinye videos, and then ke ngoku xa unenze kusokola eklasini unga-understand into you won't know umzekelo uba mawuyephi. But if you subscribe each and every time I post a video, uYouTube oza kuthini oza kukhomboza. So yeah guys, enkosi kakhulu ngobukela le video. Nizanibona kwi-video elandelayo. If umzekelo ufuna ingcaciso ethini ebanzi ndingathanda ukuthi nibuke nibukele le video yesibini, ivideo yesibini yethu ezabe lapha escreenini. Then apho khona zathini ndiyacacisa naphana uba zeziphi into ezibalulekileyo. And also I would like to click ivideo ye-double angles, because abanye abantu abazi-understand i-double angles ne-compound angles, right? So if you don't understand i-double angle ne-compound angles, ii-videos ezilandelayo klika zona ukuze ukwazi uthini ufumane ingcaciso ethe vetshe. Inkosi kakhulu bakhuluwa, nani bodade, ndizanibona kwivideo elandelayo.